Hey guys, what's going on? It's Giuseppe here. Thank you so much for joining in and thank you for jumping in with me today. We are getting right into Rank and Rent. Rank and Rent is this awesome, cool thing that I've actually been doing for years now. I've built a life around it. This is work that is highly rewarding. It's super fun and you can do it. Now, the idea behind Rank and Rent is you build a website, you rank it for SEO, and then you start to find clients and stuff. Or you find clients and then you rank it and then you make your money. So there's a lot of options here, but regardless, what I want to do today is go over some of the high level stuff of how we're going to build this out on the channel. You're going to get to follow in. We're going to build websites together. We're going to build projects together. We're going to do research together. You will get to watch everything that I do from the ground up and you will get to do it yourself. It even includes if we start running ads to these things. I have ads running to Rank and Rent websites and I have Rank and Rent websites that I also want to optimize. So we're going to be doing that too. Now, this is all really exciting. I have a great time doing this stuff. I'm going to show you what I've done so far. Now, if you want access to this documentation specifically, everything that I've already done, it is going to be on my school website. So on my school, if you join my school, you will see this. And in this classroom, where it is, Rank and Rent. Now, this is like, it's so big. And what I do is I teach people how to run their own Rank and Rent websites. We have a full community. I have Rank and Rent research. We got new comments rolling. We got people in. It's fun. This is so fun and I'm super pumped. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to give you the rundown of how this is going to go. And then from there on out, this is going to be its own series. You're going to be able to follow this start to finish and start your own Rank and Rent business. If you want to join the community and have bounce ideas on me, ask me questions. I'll also help you code stuff up. I'll help you build your website. I'll help you launch it. Whatever questions you have, I'm super here for you. I love doing this stuff. I think it's super rewarding. It's also difficult. And because it's difficult means that there's the competition it's there. But if you can separate yourself from the competition, you can make some really good money. You can have a good time. You could probably even do this as a part-time job. I wouldn't suggest it, but it's a thing you can do. Now, this is what we're going to start with. This is flow right as of right now, what I think it's going to look like. But as we go through the videos, you will start to see how maybe we add some sections, maybe remove sections, but so we're going to create a project. We're going to do research. We're going to optimize some new projects. I'm going to give you free code that you can build for your own websites. And then I'm going to build so free code you can build with. If you want, I'll give you code that you can it's already done. I'll show you how to launch these websites. I'll show you why customers are awesome and where to get them. And I'll show you how to optimize. And there's more stuff to do in there. As I'm saying it out loud now, I'm already thinking like, there's a bunch of stuff I'm missing. You know what I mean? But that's part of the fun of this stuff. I've been running these websites now for maybe 5-10 years, almost a decade. And there's always something you're learning. There's always something you're optimizing. Competitors come up. You have to compete with them. There's a lot of important terms to memorize and work out. So this is what we're going to be up to. And this is how we're going to be doing it. Now, in terms of just getting started, the one thing I want us to start with is just creating a project. Projects are important. Now, what I did was I created a project. It's called Rank and Rent. And I created research documentation within this. So what I did was I created Claude Chrome Rank and Rent research, right? Because there's a Claude Chrome app. I want to be able to utilize it. We all want to be able to utilize it properly. So now I have this. So I'm just going to grab this. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back here into Rank and Rent, and I'm going to come back. Let me go into Rank and Rent. I don't know why it's being so silly right now. We'll just go this way, Rank and Rent. And now because I'm just going to add this as a file, add text content, I'm going to add it all on there, and I'm going to give it a descriptive name. Copy, paste, and I'm going to leave that. I'm just going to delete that. And now we're starting to build out our project. So there's file number 1. And now we have a second one here. We have a second. Now these files are available for free in my school community. I'm going to come down further. Oh, the artifacts are in here. So oh, well, it got smarter. That's wild. I wasn't expecting that. Rank and Rent. And then I'm going to come into here. I'm going to grab this Claude code for SEO, Rank and Rent business. Oh, this is a big conversation. But this is all research. And so before you get started on anything, you start with the research. So I'm going to grab this research. And now the thing with this is on your phone, when you're going to bed, because you have the tokens, I just tell Claude to go and do a bunch of research for me while I'm sleeping. Because why not? I have the tokens. I'm not going to be using them for the day. Go and get something done. And then when I wake up in the morning, it's all good to go. So there, boom, copy that. I'm gonna come back to the rank and rent. I'm gonna come back to files, paste this, go to the top, and boom, now we have add content. Now we have 2 solid pieces of research that are gonna help us move forward. And this is it. This is where you start your thing. This is how you start your business. First, you open up a project, you get some research going, we have something to base it off of. And that's gonna be it for this video. That's where I wanna cut it off. I wanna be concise. I want each video to have its own point so you can watch these as you go. There's not too much going on in here. Again, if you want these sent directly to you, you can comment below, say, send me the Claude research. I will send you a link directly. Or you can also join my school community. The research is always there. It's always available. It's always there for you. And you get to ask me and the community questions directly. Super pumped. Anyways, thank you so much for joining in. If you watched the end, you're an absolute legend. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. I'm going to do this here. You might see the edited version.